Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the speed of your video or how to change the speed of your video on the Pixelcut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the Create button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the All button in the middle, and then you should scroll down to the Video Tools section and tap on Video Speed. Then you will be directed to your phone's library or gallery, where you should select a video that you would like to edit. Tap on Choose. And down below you will be able to see, or in the middle of the screen you can see the playback speed options. You can choose from 3 options, 0.5, 1 or 2. So tap on the relevant one to see how it looks like, and when you are done, click on the save video button down below to save your video. So that's basically it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.